Welcome to Copy Trade Hub. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Method 1 in Dextrabot, a copy trading strategy based on fixed allocation with limits for position increases. This method is ideal for those who want more control over their exposure while still mirroring a trader's activity dynamically. So, how does it work? With Method 1, you define three main values. First, use percent of trader margin per position. This setting controls how much of the trader's position your bot should copy. Second, you define the initial margin cap. This is the maximum size your bot can use to open the first trade. If you're a beginner, keep in mind that positions can be increased or decreased after they are opened. That's why, in the next third value, margin increase limit field, you should enter the maximum amount you're comfortable allocating to any future increases of the position. These three parameters together give you flexible but controlled exposure, allowing you to follow aggressive traders while respecting your own risk limits. Let's go through an example. Let's say you set your initial position amount to 1,000 USDC, and you allocate an additional 500 USDC as a budget for future increases. Now imagine the trader you're copying opens a position using 10,000 USDC. Your bot will try to copy that trade based on the percentage you've set. For example, if you chose 20%, the bot will calculate that your trade should be 2,000 USDC. However, your actual trade will still be limited by your initial position amount. So even if 20% equals 2,000, the bot will only open a position up to your defined margin cap. Let's say 1,000 USDC in this case. Later, if the trader increases their position by 20,000 USDC, your bot can follow that increase, but only within your additional budget, and always based on the percentage you've previously set. So, if your percentage is 20%, the bot will try to match 20% of the trader's size, which in this case would be 6,000 USDC. But it will only use what's available from your increase budget. In this example, if your budget is 500 USDC, the bot will add only that amount, bringing your total position to 1,500 USDC, and no more. This keeps your total risk strictly controlled, even when copying aggressive traders. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of Method 1. The benefits: it's beginner-friendly and very easy to configure. It offers predictable risk by setting clear limits in advance, and it allows your position to grow dynamically, but only within your comfort zone. On the other hand, there are some limitations. If the trader scales into a position very quickly and your increase budget is too small, you might miss part of the move and your trade could lag behind. Also, it requires you to think carefully about how much budget you allocate in advance. So, when should you use Method 1? It's great if you're working with a small wallet or if you want to follow high-volume traders without taking on too much risk. It's also perfect if you're just getting started and want a simple, structured way to copy trades without surprises. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Copy Trade Hub. We'll be covering Method 3 very soon, and as soon as Method 2 is released, we'll create a dedicated tutorial for that as well. And before you go, don't miss the chance to save 4% on your copy trading fees. Use our referral code TRADEHUB. When signing up on Dextrabot, it supports this channel and gives you an instant discount on every trade you copy. A smart way to start copy trading. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.